Welcome to this tutorial on installing and setting up the EcoFlow Stream microinverter for your solar panel system. The EcoFlow Stream microinverter supports connections for 2 sets of solar panels and can be easily integrated into your home circuit, making it a perfect solution for balcony installations. EcoFlow provides 2 mounting options: wall mounting or attachment to a solar panel. Start by positioning the microinverter evenly on the wall. For precision, use a spirit level to align it properly. Next, mark the drilling positions. Install the expansion screws. Then hang the microinverter on the wall. Finally, secure the microinverter in place. Once the microinverter is securely mounted, proceed with the electrical connections. Connect the solar panels to the PV terminals on the microinverter using the EcoFlow MC4 PV cables. Connect the microinverter to a standard home outlet using an AC cable. If you need to remake the connections, use a flathead screwdriver to press the rabbet on the AC terminal, then securely disconnect the cables. Use a PV wrench to safely disconnect the MC4 connector. Begin by attaching the PV clamp holder to your solar panel. Next, hang the microinverter. If the screws aren't spaced correctly, simply slide the right side screw along the track to adjust. Use a wrench to tighten the inner screw, securing the microinverter. First, scan the QR code and download the EcoFlow app to activate your device. On the app homepage, tap on Add Device or System, or the plus icon in the upper right corner. Now select your microinverter from the device list to connect it. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and tap Next to continue. After the connection is established, select your house style, then create a customized name for your home solar system. Choose a location to access additional features, or simply tap Skip to move ahead. Finally, select the space you've just set, tap Done, and congratulations. You're all set with your first-time EcoFlow app setup. And that's it. Your EcoFlow Stream microinverter is now installed and ready to optimize your solar energy system.